Hi there, welcome to a drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a bus seat. Here you can see that I'm using my blue pen to draw the bus seat. At the beginning, draw a short line. And now draw one more. Let's connect them. I will fill this portion with blue pen. Now I'm drawing another big line. And this time I'm gonna use cyan pen. I will connect these parts and I will fill this portion with cyan color. I will draw a circle here. I will draw a tiny line and I will try to turn it into a box. I'm using my blue pen again. Now I'm drawing a handle. Wow! I'm doing a little bit of coloring with my blue pen. And I'm using my black pen. Now I will use my green pen. For the rest, I'm using a light green color. Wow, it's looking amazing. Thank you so much for watching.